EDC gadgets have become a necessity due to their compact size and practical usage. Today, we've compiled a list of the coolest EDC gadgets worth buying. From multi-tools to flashlights, wallets to sling bags, these gadgets offer versatility and convenience for everyday carry. Tactical Wolf EDC Sling Bag, a compact and lightweight bag that makes everyday carry even easier. Structured with rugged weather-resistant nylon, this tactical sling bag can be trusted during a sudden weather change. Its crossbody design makes it easier to access, while its spacious compartment can be accessed from any direction with its dual zipper design. So forget about carrying bulky backpacks for EDC. A capable and super versatile carabiner like this SitPack Octo is all you need to keep those minor problems organized. But one may ask, what makes this carabiner so versatile? Well, this titanium-made carabiner is more than just that. It has 18 different tools like a bottle opener, a pry tool, a multi-headed screwdriver, and so on to make those daily tasks easier. A perfectly crafted titanium build looks promising for carrying heavier items, while its finish makes it shinier. Can one demand anything more from a carabiner? One may carry any other EDC flashlight, but nothing can match this Russell Field EDC flashlight. Why? Because this one is a multi-purpose flashlight with multiple mounting options. Its magnetic mount is super convenient for everyday uses, while its bike mounting option makes it a bike flashlight. Want something more? Just attach it to that headband and bam, it becomes a headlamp for a hands-free operation. Highly bright XBG and cob light provide adequate illumination, while its USB Type-C fast charging makes it even more practical. I mean, how versatile can a flashlight be? If you wanted that EDC wallet to be a bit slimmer, then this Pulse X1 EDC wallet from Gear Infusion is your best fit. This wallet has an intelligent construction with a strap track channel. Strap track channel runs that elastic strap through metal plates, eliminating that excessive bulkiness. Lastly, here comes those protected edges, which can secure up to 15 credit cards and provide quick card access. Meet the Roman Ventures Spinning Arc Glider, an easy and quick solution for your everyday need for fire. This plasma lighter can be lit and easily with just a click of a button, while its clean and simple look makes it an attractive one to carry facing heavy wind. No issues, it's windproof. Worried about frequent butane refilling? Well, it's rechargeable with a USB port, so forget about changing butane once in a while and grab this Roman Ventures Spinning Arc Lighter. Next, we have this Y-Smart Type and 3.0 EDC nano size pen that can be a lifesaver during critical situations. This CDC pen is known to be the most effective and most formidable one among others, while its sleek and seamless finish makes it an elegant one to carry. Moreover, material options like brass and grade 5 titanium let anyone choose their preferred one. At the same time, its practical usage makes it even more effective for everyday tasks or emergencies. Peachy X2 is your go-to multi-tool for any task of everyday life. This CDC tool weighs as light as only 44 grams, while its compact design makes it more practical for keeping inside that side pocket, and we think that 44 grams of weight and ultra-durable performance already explain its top-tier titanium build. This multi-tool packs a whole bunch of essential tools, including a versatile wrench and a scalpel knife. If anyone was wondering about an EDC knife, then we kept the most important one for the last. Meet the Benchmade Aller, a do-it-all USA-made EDC knife to eliminate any significant or minor problems. Having such premium and capable blade steel like CPMS 30V, this knife can provide a reliable cutting performance and a way longer edge retention. But cutting and slicing isn't everything it does, because this magnificence boasts a screwdriver pry tip with a micro bit slot. Worried about losing such a compact knife? Well, no worries, as this custom reversible pocket clip ensures it stays right in place. So that was our list of some coolest EDC gadgets that are worth buying.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.